Welcome to Silver Cajun Metals. Today we're going to talk about the Geiger bore. I'm sorry. I'm all shaken up from drinking last night. The first one I'm going to show you is the 250 gram. And they are some nice bores, nice and thick. They got the red edges on it. They got the little certificate of authenticity, which is the number of the bar on the side of it. It's all sealed, packed up real good. It's a security feature in the back that you can see with the black light. We're going to look at that a little later. But I picked these up a few years back, probably about 3 or 4 years back, from another YouTuber. And I really like these. For some reason I like to buy 5. I don't know why, but five look like that's my magic number. The 100 grams, these are some nice little bars. And it's got the same stuff on the front like the bigger bars, and it's still got the little numbers showing what number the bar is. And this has the security feature too, with the black light that comes up when it's dark. So these are some nice bars. Really nice. Really like them. And there's a lot of people that collect them. The premium are a little bit higher, but they nice bars. But now they started making them like this into the little case. Some of them have a case, some of them don't have a case. This is the 5 gram. And it comes in this little plastic case which keeps all the dust and everything off of it. They're real nice cases. They got the blue light. When the blue light goes on it, it's got a security feature on it too. Just that this one has like a blue ink where you can actually see it before you put the light on it. Made from Germany. German people do a real good job with these bars. Here's a 1 ounce. And to me, they're really nice, but for some reason, I don't know about y'all, but I like the older bars because it's just, I don't know, you can feel more weight in your hands, and I like those a lot better. And this has a security feature too, with that blue ink that has on there that glows with the black light. And another security feature, which is, it's very good. I don't know what y'all thinks on it, but I like these. These are nice. Now, don't get me wrong, these are nice, but I much rather the weight that these have. They really heavy for the size bar it is. Now I'm gonna turn the light off. Don't get scared, the boo-boo gonna come out, but I'm gonna turn the light off, and I'm gonna show you the back end of these things. Okay, I took the lights out, but it's still not that dark. I got a window that's not too far from it, so just bear with that, and bear with the noise in the back. It's super hot out here, and I got the AC on. Put the blue light on and see if we can see anything. See, the 2013 is the year on this one, and it has the plastic on it, so that's why you ain't gonna see it that great. But they have the emblem in 2013 on this one. Let's take a little smaller bore out, see what they have. Come here, you. 2014 on this one, and there's the emblem on it, and that's pretty neat, Without it, you can't see it, and with the blue light, it comes on. So let me show you the new ones. First, the 5 gram. See, it pops out to you. Really nice. And these, like I said, the numbers correspond with the board it has. So it's just all numbered. But this one's pretty neat having it on the bar itself. And the 1 ounces. It's nice bars. I just don't like the plastic. It's pretty and it keeps it in nice condition, but to me it's more bulky trying to stack these than to go ahead and stack these right here. If you like the weight, you know, stacking by weight. So give me a little comment at the bottom down here and let me know what you like. If you like these better or you like these better. I prefer the older style, but some people might prefer this style. Well, subscribe, like, pass it on to anybody that wants to see it, and appreciate y'all for watching, and y'all be safe, and y'all have a good one out there. Thank you.